Watch the footwear. Watch the footwear. Animal them off that bread. Oh, God. Yo, what's up, guys? We are here in the Guatape town. So yeah, these are one of the most famous steps for Guatape. I swear, every city, every tourist place has an umbrella street.
In front of the boat, we can already see the La Manuela farm, which was owned by Pablo Escobar.
Hola Salidos. So yeah, today I actually booked an excursion. So we're going to Guatape, and the excursion includes a whole bunch of places. Honestly, I don't know where I'm at right now. Some ranch, and yeah, there's some animals here. An animal them off that bread. Oh, God. Watch the footwear. Watch the footwear. Yo, what's up, guys? We are here in the Guatape town. So, before we go to the mountain, we get to explore the town a little bit. Trying to see what's up here. Looks like some apartment buildings. People are living here. Some jerseys. These ones. Dime otra vez. 75. 75. Gracias. So 75 is just 75,000. ¿Mi talas?
Medium, large, small.
XL, pero este bien. Gracias. That's when that Spanish comes in handy, bro. But we're here, getting some good content, looking at the city. We gotta keep a track of time too as well. So I just remembered, we're leaving here at like 11:45. So I have like 15 more minutes to be taking content. So yeah, these are one of the most famous steps for Guatape. I know, like, I see a lot of YouTubers and people taking videos in this place right here. So, que chimba. I swear, every city, every tourist place has an umbrella street. Yep. So honestly, I don't even know where we're at right now. I think this is like the old town of Guatape. So yeah, you got some like souvenir stuff. All right, man. So like we're about to do our last tour. Walking down there, get on the boat. We're about to take like a boat ride on the river, bro. The sea, the city, the river, the town, the pueblo, as they say in Spanish. So I'll turn this back on when we get back down there. As we're about to get on a boat ride, bro. Music jumping. My cerveza, Aguila. Gotta keep it Colombian on this trip. So yeah, that's the boat we're taking. Gonna be taking a stroll on this river, taking a look at this town, the water, the city, and other sightseeing things.
Your hats or caps. If the wind blows them into the water, it will not be possible to recover them. And remember that wearing life jackets is mandatory for everyone on board, as indicated by the authorities. If you take a look around, you will see a cross in the water. That cross symbolizes the exact point where the temple of this town used to be. The church was demolished or dynamited by the manager of EPM at that time. This pedestal was constructed at the time there was a drought. You are going to see farms and beautiful constructions. Most of them belonged to drug dealers in the 80s and 90s. Now the owners are rich people from the region or from the city of Medellin, who come to spend vacations or holidays in these places, and it is said that half of these properties work as Airbnbs.
Full of vibes, full of anger.
Al frente del barco, ya podemos ver la finca La Manuela, que le perteneció a Pablo Escobar. Está en ruinas porque fue bombardeada por el grupo de los Pepes en 1900, pero no se sabe cuántos años vaya a tomar este proceso.
In front of the boat, we can already see the La Manuela farm, which was owned by Pablo Escobar. It is in ruins because it was bombed by the group of the Pepes in 1993. The Pepes were the enemy group of Pablo Escobar, and their acronym means persecuted by Pablo Escobar. This farm was his second most important, the first one in Puerto Triunfo, Hacienda Nápoles. To that farm Pablo brought animals of many species, the zoo and hippos. To this one brought vegetation. As you can see, there are trees all around the farm brought from various countries of the world. In the middle of the bamboo tree.
¡Ay, me encanta! ¡Ay,
caramba!
Now we are looking at a white construction of black glasses. It belongs to James Rodriguez, the player from the Colombian national team. Next door belongs to David Ospina, also goalkeeper of Colombia selection, and the black one on the back belongs to his ex-wife. In the background we can see the beautiful landscape we have in this region, the Guatape stone, or Pinal stone as it is known worldwide.
Me gano mi plata pa' comprar mercado, pa' tomar cerveza y calmar mis antojos. Si allá en la cantina me ven con las viejas y mi mujer llega y ponen un ojo. Yo creí en tus palabras, me entregué sin condición, pero con excusa rara. Eterno y entre caricias y besos me lograste